Looks like they're zoning out. Yeah, they just walked out.
They're jumping behind us.
Turn around. It's okay, just turn around.
Scroll protection popped.
Hobbs, get on Hobbs. Yaga's target right now, Hobbs.
Sounds like you're having fun.
Premade just jumped this way. Could have been pugs, I don't know. Keep it up, they're going.
Got need for a healer?
Always.
I'm actually just leaving. Benny.
Keep it up.
Thanks a lot.
Pressure up. More A. Pop scroll. They're gonna start resin up there and run at that. We're gonna have to. Well, I mean, it's probably good. We can farm it. Really. Just come down. I mean, I don't think anything really died.
It's like our own personal nemesis.
Did anyone die?
No, we haven't lost any yet.
What's the hit? Or what's the password? They're coming both sides?
Fine, let them come back. Let's back a little bit up towards ABG. A little bit, so we're away from the wall so that people can't stand up there and fire down. Just keep killing them. They're feeding us kills at this point. You know what I mean? Like, they're gonna keep jumping over the wall and coming down and thinking, oh, we're resin here, we can win this fight. But really, they're just jumping in. Really, they're just... Right into the meat grinder, Dillo.
That was a pretty good one.
That's
anybody able to list?
That was pretty crazy. Out of nowhere, they're just like, Bleh! They just died. It's like, someone, you get a hold of the dungeon master, let him know his grandmother was trying to work me over here by the wall. His name's Seed. I will in a second. Look at them all up there. I'm gonna push over there. Keep heals on Yaga. I'm trying to grip him down. Yeah, if you got gore fiends, run up to the wall.
I'm gonna put a arcane crystal up there. I'm gonna put a crystal up there, guys.
If you got gore fiends grass, run up and use it. If you got gore fiends grass, run up and use it right up on.
What's the password? Got room for a healer?
I'm gonna tell you when I'm gonna grip again. Just keep heals, keep blowing them up. Organ treatment.
Yeah, we have 2 spots open up. Did you remove Shamba? Because
the grips handy. I'll tell you when I need it. If anyone's got a pre-script.
birds.
Fine. Farm them. They're getting farmed. They have their own key. Okay, I'm gonna do a gore fiends in a second here. When I do get like mage roots down, it shouldn't matter though. I don't think they can run back up.
I want to step back a little bit and go friends after.
Okay, here it is. I'm gonna gore fiends. Get ready to fucking AoE like crazy.